Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The form of A2. The difference ماضي مجرد مزيد مبني معلوم موجود. The form of B3 like for start become متابس فعل بس فاعل بس كمان فعل بس كمان بس فاعل قبل بس فعل بس فاعل. The all فعل إنك فعل ماضي مبني as مضارع which is بدون توكيد and one is based on وفي الأمر مدين بني ورب مضارع عارية من الأكيد مباشرين ومن ناس كيرون منفوت fil amar and madla of abani mudara laumu rapisulan ani from words of nun taukid and nun nice everything at the level and nice the result of fi'il madi aku tanda madi tertandi saat itu it's the shadow of a sour kalma which is madi aku tanda madi tidak kalma id Fatuma ala makanan termadi film madi penjara setelah original usaha film reverse samain in the last aris fasa in film madi penjara setelah mujarrad in film is fata the markas is the dictionary based on akrama odi falsir ida kuma tarang kami lah aku dari far akhirah di fial akrama odi falsir akhirati fi al-qadun nasi afrati wa nasiwan nafi in the last Roma odi falsi dan kuma talang kan bahwa kota faro da ini serius yaeskon ya fata gitu ya getting fata aja betul pemerintah ke rumah aja terus menteri ke rumah ada pemerintah ke rumah because monthly ternyata in the first and the last aris fata and I think it's a sermon by dictionary if fi'il madi misal jama isat tuma jamal amano if midamir of matahari isat jamal aman damir of matahari das arna tuna based on akhir of the fi'il kan abrama udi falsi dan kumatalang pura kod the floor damin pak akhir di kan Roma udi falsi dan kumatalang pura kod the floor dalam dia serba ya sudah sekolah mata kirim patah if I feel is data so alif isn't ya based on min ya ini kan usil alifani badil pas pada fase mutas after a letter adalah fase itu reply of ya alif Ismail kama is on change alim kama Ismail ba'ais from ba'ais alim kama ba'ais ya khawf ismi ya khawf muftari bima yaqafu alif kama yaqafu because of alif or ya or second but life originally determined alif change abelau or ya by looking at in masdar from madri mudari assembly عنده وعند خوف يخاف خوفا alif yasma'u ba'an yabi'un ba'an alif yasram ya madi majur if there are two some life huruf and gathering words so being itu based awal misalnya mukharrar kayak ini film dan gue bilang masih sofa which cutting of them terletak of life fasa it's a reply of ya alif example mada sama mada misalnya set mata mada sama mada being itu because of there are perfect sense there are two some letter and set by set and gather in word it's letter da major are passive which is three letters it's get duma in the first and I think is get so sama kor becomes Korea based on falawalul fi'l mamut sasibari sifri mudenga basla juma mudarim fatiha kain dalam mangkuli fiunta malu majur is before the source mudarim fatiha is in all start of duma if in the middle is if in the middle is majul is alif or being majul in alif certain ya then order of isent kasra sama kalau macam bismillah fa'il or again includes rafa and include israfa and include isim and is began an or anna certain best on al-fa'ilul ladzi kamana tazidun min riran wa juni mal fatah fa'il is Finally, same rafa together with the fail or the word gets after fail is final or final is after fail. There is the final find the based on وبدا فعل فاعل or فإلا فضمير يستتر فعل after فعل that and if the نفس the فعل ضمير the first final is fail there is مفعول به is less for fail but sometimes it's not suitable with the first law based on wasofil فإن يتسوى wasofil مفعول yang فعل the original the original مفعول فعل وقد جاء بخلاف الأصل وقد جاء المفعول قبل فعل لستم إذا isn't like the original مفعول present before the فعل fa'il of madi of fa'il the here madi of fa'il the here fa'il the here mu'annas single mu'annas hakiki or majazi madi of fa'il the here mu'annas single mu'annas or original female must be given ta'tar nisbal the here mu'annas majin isn't ya example qalat famatu tal'ad syamsu tal'ad syantu based on Wata umat jami siwa salimi mendakirin kata ima idal labid fa'il the here mu'annas original must be given ta'maina the originally fa'il the here mufrad musanna jama' there can be musanna jama' example qala zalimuna kambir qalu zalimuna based on wajadi fi'ila idza mustin daga nalun saqabatul ada fa'il the fi'il frida sayotati arjama fa'il the mir atasnya arjama fi'il the mir mu'annas singkul mu'annas akhi or majazim so fi'il madi masih guna based on wa inna ma talzama fi'lamut mari mutasilin au mudhimin datahirin fa'il the mir mu'annas tasulari al-taqun sana akhi or majazi example al-muslimatu qumat الشمس طلعت كان بيرى المسلمة تقوم الشمس طلعت يدومير أندرس as فعل must be spelled with none must be spelled with none isnam non رقاية because of توكيب in other فعل isn't it so example yang suruh based on وقبل نفسي مع الفيل يتزم رقاية وليس قد ندم بفرات الرياضة من that other فعل is a support بلس مشكلة فعل ماضي means get idgham then meeting the mirafa mutahari so it will be returned to the original then the last letter is transferred sukun example mada isra mada damada mitra israt mata besa afoka isa mudah memisahkan kau ni biar kata which kita ngafi dam the but fi'il madhi which kita ngafi the to meeting of the mirafa it will be returned if mad letter were in the middle is alif with the mirafa mutahari so alif is rawan lam is being sukun and the first letter is being kasrah example saya fi'il madi is duma so the first letter is being duma it's mitta sukun qala yaqulu qul la sya'ya sya'u syi'ta sura yashiru syirta Dhamirna which we can find Mizamir of Mutahari the sake of fi'il madi is must be sukun now damir mutasil will become maf'ul bih if fi'il isn't read sukun and can answer to all of fi'ils ja'alna fa'il ja'alna maf'ul if in the first letter majmajur the first letter majmajur is being duma before the last is being so the last letter depends on the side example qala macam isqila based on wala sofil falawal fi'li mamut sebelah isir mudin abu selwajib mami mudarim fatihah kain al maqli fi muntah al majur is before the afasa mudari fasa is in all star of the if I fi'il is last letter so last letter is being so last letter is that to my example istafa'al majuf of is istafa'ila tafa'al majuf of is tafa'ila based on wasaniat salih kal mustawal kalawal ja'alu bila munaza'a wasali saladi bihamzil hasri kalawal ja'alana gasoli mali majur alif la to ente fam folet to ma it will be only The word which become fa'il is fi'il majul, is maf'ul bi, is which continues is naibul fa'il or fa'il replacement. The law of fa'il, the law replacement, the law is like fa'il. Usually rafa and is giving meaning sabarafa. Example, anzalul ma'u becomes unzilal ma'u. Based on enubu maf'ul bihi fa'il li fa'malahu kanika qarana il. Maf'ul bihi can be changed from the fa'il or the word get ta'wil, or the maf'ul bihi can be changed from the fa'il in the law if it majul fa'il. Daraf and jar majul, daraf and jar majul can be naib fa'il. So fa'il fi become naib fa'il. This one fi apa in the based on وقبل نفسي مع فعله تلزم من الوقاية وقبله من ظرف أو بمصدر أو في جر بنيابة حرف. مفعول به can be changed from the fa'il. فاي سمدهم في سقلهم بمطار فاقتر وجزاء في دوم تلسر أفلايس. مفعول can be changed from the fa'il in the law if it majul fa'il. Maf'ul bi replace fa'il is be maf'ul bi replace fa'il. The replace is in the position of fa'il. Jar majrur can be meaning naibul fa'il. Maf'ul bi or object or complement of amri is also based on fasibi maf'ul in lam yanut alan an fa'ilul la tidak bertul kutub. Maf'ul bi replace fa'il is be nasab if replace rafa with sitting of nasab. So the word giving the meaning mimfa. Example, qad alima nasim mashrabam is nasab because of becoming maf'ul bihi maf'ul because of their fa'il and fi'il and word giving the meaning ing or pada. When the mutasil is beside fi'il, so the position become the fi'il. When the mutasil when it's beside is, so the position become the fi'il. When the mutasil of beside of and friends, so the position becomes isim of the mutasil is become maf'ul bih, and cannot inflate the harokats of fi'il madi with different with zamir of mutaharrik. The batch of fa'il is beside fi'il maf'ul bih is related from fi'il. But sometimes maf'ul bih can be first of fa'il or after or isim fa'il based on also fa'il fa'il yatasil of also fa'il maf'ul yang fa'il. The original fa'il the original maf'ul apart from fi'il wa qad ja'u bi khilaf wa qad ja'al maf'ul qabla fi'il. So the original maf'ul present before the fi'il. The maf'ul fi order of means in dalam. Saves mean fi perfect sentence is exit and is explained about at verb of place or time and having meaning and as verb of place or time and happening of activity based on azarun aku tun au makanun domina fi bitiradin kaunam kus azmuna maf'ul bi daraf the atau mulamakan jamar of is getting after stop. Example, al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum. Al-yawma is because of becoming the because of perfect sentence perfect sentence and exist are exist and what giving the meaning in dalam. Qabla and ba'da other types are like tahta amama is not related with another word if it's not related, so it's mamni duma based an qabluka ghairu hasb ba'du hasbu awwalu wa dunwal jihatu aidan wa alu san ghairu was after hasbu ba'du qablu awal duna direksin alu wa dumina an ghairu nadim tana lahu fi udayfan aw yana mudina غير مصاريف ليرس with other اسم if it cannot be isil بدون duma mabni maf'ul muftaqid dari isim asal mazhar which is set nasab and or giving the meaning kelawang dengan with the requirement that perfect sentence is said so become maf'ul mutadassa fi meaning mim tabis on mazharu masih wa mani min malulain fi lika min amin bi fi'li fi'li awas binu sebakunu asal jadinin tasib maf'ul mustaq is one of mother term nasab is meaning like the purpose of an example babusiyatil jibal basa is nasab because of kami maf'ul mutaq because of mazhar of fa'il are exist and what giving the meaning lawan or dengan maf'ul li ajali if there is asal mazhar which is set nasab and is explain about the reason of what even word and what giving so the meaning krona arah the position is in perfect sentence so becomes maf'ul li say of meaning lah based on yang sabab maf'ulan lahu mazharu in abadan ta'liqil kajis rukawa wajin masih sifat masih the meaning of isim maf'ul lahu mazna sab the meaning result of because example fa akhraja bi min saman ris qulakum rizqa israt nasab because of becoming maf'ul li ajli bi masab li ajli because of mazhar of are exist and what giving the meaning krona the characteristic of maf'ul li ajli and maf'ul mutaq is different from meaning usual maf'ul mutaq which is mazhar before isim before fi'il which is mazhar of fi'il and isim fa'il. Mazhar can be maf'ul mutlaq if ended to ta. Hal is isim nakira which has adjective either isim fa'il or maf'ul or other is set nasab and is explained about fa'il or maf'ul condition whose condition is in perfect sentence means hale the sake of giving meaning based on al-halu asfan fulatu mentajibu mafihim fi halin kafada adhabu the sifat of sentence can be in the explain the nasab explaining the nasab condition in the example falamma arqama bazigh wa is because of being because of adjective that shaped is a fa'il and fi'il are what giving the meaning hale with condition is explained about maf'ul bih mazhar becomes hal if it means sifat and it's given if it means sifat and it's isim nakirah and it's nakirah based on wa mazharumun harul kala yaqa bikasatin ka batatan zaidun tola the nakirah mazhar can be able of a by meaning adjective that improbable if there is madlul later become hal it must be being ta'wil and with nakira meaningly best example wahdahu la syarika lahu waswazan wahidan based on wal halu in urifa law damfa'ta kita wiru makna ka wahdaka tajib if halas wa munasan azma di fasuna kira has meaning of i'tiqad ma as question word if began jar later so alif is example example amma yatasaluna is from an person based on wama fil istifhami in juratu di alif wa awliha in alif if ma istifham kejar to res alif in the sentence hal tersentuh alif ma if after illa is means ora or tidak is mentioned manafi example ma ta'lamu ta'wilahu illallah aina mamnata am silam tikasa hay silam dinduma kama min sukun based on amin hudu fasi madu kasin wadun kaina am si hay suwa sakinu kam aina mamni fasa am silam ni kasa kama min sukun en hay silam dinduma hay suwa en is must be mudaf at jumlah sometimes it is read idim replace tanwin is replace for jumlah it's tanwin iwad based on wal azamu idafatan ilal jumlah haiswa in wa in yunan wa yutada haiswa and it must be connected to the clause ismi and fi'liya the clause tamyiz is isim tamyiz is mazhar or isim arid nasab which has function which the function is a frame object that's perfect sentence usually tamyiz preceded by tafdil and after normal 11 anti 19 based on ism bima min mubinun nakira yunsabu tamyizan bima qad fasal tamyiz isim nakira have the meaning nasab the meaning huruf nasab the meaning apa nih example waman azaqu minallahi qila is nasab because of being tamyiz because of perfect sentence and word giving the meaning apa nih and after tafdil exactly azaqu wa zamadi fa'ala fa'ila fa'ula fa'ala tafa'ala af'ala ifta'ala infa'ala istif'ala tasrif suwawi fa'ala fa'alu fa'ala fa'alna summa fa'altum summa fa'altunna fa'altu fa'alna isafa'ala isafa'altu isafa'alna isafa'altum isafa'altunna isafa'alna af'ala af'alna af'altunna af'alna ifta'ala iftalna iftalna wa hum yaumahunna ata fi'il mudari full stop shadow or comma which part is full stop the shadow